In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add animated handwritten text and doodle effects to your YouTube videos, the easy way. Now, most tutorials teach you to manually draw doodles frame by frame and overlay it onto your videos. But let's be real, that's time consuming. And what if you're not great at drawing? Hey, it's El Wong and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you a faster, smarter method to create those eye-catching hand-drawn effects with zero drawing skills or crazy editing required. Here's what you learned today: how to create handwritten wiggly text animations, how to add fun doodle elements like arrows and circles, and how to create a hand sketch reveal effect just like this one. It's drag and drop simple with Create Studio, the animation tool behind all the effects you see on my YouTube videos. And before we dive in, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more tips to level up your videos. Now let's get started. First, let's add text. Go to Studio Panel, Add Text, or just press the shortcut key Shift-T. Next, choose a handwritten font. Create Studio already comes with some cool fonts, but you can also import your own. And here's a quick tip. Check out dafont.com. Under the script category, you'll find loads of handwritten and brush style fonts. Let's use Bing Bong for this demo. Simply download it, right-click to extract it, and load it into Create Studio like this. Now, let's animate the text to bring it to life. Select the text and go to Motion. To make it enter into the screen, under the In panel, choose the Effect, Scale, Backup. Then, under the preset settings, select Letter for it to animate each letter individually. Now, to add a continuous wiggly animation, we'll add a looping animation. Click on Loop, select Rotation, Swing. Set the preset setting to Letter, adjust the letter offset to 0, and loop to 5 for a faster wiggle. And there you have it, handwritten text with a fun, wiggly animation. Next, let's add some animated doodle effects to make your video pop. In Create Studio, go to the Studio panel, Doodles, and Filter for Effects. You'll see a ton of pre-made doodle animations like arrows and circles. Just drag and drop them into your scene. Looks good, right? If you're loving these easy creative effects, hit the like button and let me know in the comments below. Now, what if you want a specific doodle like a light bulb, but drawing isn't exactly your thing? No worries, I've got a simple solution for you. Head over to Google and search for your item like light bulb and add the word doodle to the search. Google will bring up tons of hand-drawn style images that are perfect for your project. Next, let's check the usage rights. Here's a game-changing tip to ensure your doodle is free to use. Go to Tools, Usage Rights, Creative Commons License. This filters the results to show images that are free to download and use. Before you use it, double-check the license by clicking onto the image. Once you've found the perfect doodle, let's bring it into Create Studio. Simply right-click to copy it, then paste it directly into Create Studio by pressing Ctrl-V. And here's where the magic happens. Drag the doodle onto your canvas, right-click and select Remove Background. Create Studio's AI will instantly clean up the background of image for you and make it transparent. It's that easy. Head to Effects, drag and drop the doodle effect onto your image. And instantly, Create Studio will give your doodle a stunning hand sketch reveal effect that looks professional and fun. You can also customize this effect, like change the hand style. You can also manually edit the reveal path for precision and creativity. Or even hide the hand entirely. And the best part, this doodle effect works on text, images, videos, and even built-in characters, so you can get creative with your animations. Now that you know exactly how to add handwritten text and doodles to your videos, how would you like to create your very own 3D animated emoji that can talk and express emotions for you? Make sure to watch this next video and subscribe now.